Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Play Store and checking your Play balance. This gives you the exact funds available. Once done, make sure your device is signed into the Google account that holds the balance, because purchases draw from that account only. If you plan larger buys, have an alternative payment method on file to cover any shortfall. You should also update the Play Store app so storefront pricing and promotions are current. This prevents surprises during checkout. You pick the item you want, an app, subscription, or in-app purchase, and tap Buy or Subscribe. When the payment screen appears, tap Payment Methods and select Google Play Balance as the primary option. Play will apply available funds automatically. If the balance doesn't fully cover the cost, Google combines balance and backup payment. Make sure to confirm quantity, subscription period, or in-app options now, because once charged, refunds and changes, follow Google. You confirm the purchase and wait for the confirmation screen and email receipt. Then check order history in Play to verify the charge and remaining balance. If the transaction fails, first verify you used the correct Google account and that the balance covers the amount. Next, check the backup payment method for expiration or holds. If issues persist, sign out and back in, clear Play Store cache, and if necessary, contact Google support or request a refund through Play's order page to resolve payment problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.